In grade 4, we have learned that solids, liquids, and gases are 3 states of matter. Each of these states behaves in its own way. The ways each state behaves is called its characteristics. The characteristics of solids, liquids, and gases depend upon the particles that make up each of these states. These particles of solids, liquids, and gases are like the cells of an organism, i.e., building blocks. In this chapter, we will explore the behavior of these particles in 3 states of matter. Knowledge 5.1 Particle Theory of Matter. Solids have fixed shapes, sizes, and volumes. They cannot flow. Liquids and gases do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container. However, they can flow and have fixed volumes. Do you know why each state of matter behaves differently? The best theory to explain the behavior of matter is known as the particle theory of matter. The theory says that all matter is made up of tiny particles. The arrangement of these particles is different in solids, liquids, and gases. The unique arrangement of particles decides the unique behavior of each state of matter. The main postulates of the theory are given below: atoms and molecules. All matter is made up of tiny particles. Later on, these particles were called atoms and molecules. B. Constant movement. Particles of matter are always moving. C. Spaces. The particles have pocket spaces among them. D. Effect of heat. Heating increases the movement of particles. Solid. Fixed volume, fixed shape, cannot flow, can be squashed. Liquid. Fixed volume, no fixed shape, can flow, cannot be squashed. Gas. No fixed volume, no fixed shape, can flow, cannot be squashed. Activity 1. Investigate that particles of matter are in motion. Materials required: a beaker, transparent glass, water, food color, stirrer spoon. Procedure: place 1 drop of food coloring in a beaker half full of water. Do not stir the water. Think why food color is spreading. Conclusion: particles of water and food color must be in movement to spread the color in the water. Food for thought: how will stirring affect the movement of particles? Activity 2. Investigate that particles have spaces between them. Materials required: 1 cup sand, 1 cup water, 2 graduated cylinders. Procedure: measure 50 milliliters water and 50 milliliters sand. Pour 50 milliliters water into the cylinder containing 50 milliliters sand. Observation: did the total volume reach up to 100 milliliters? Can you give the reason? Did you observe air bubbles rising up from the sand? Explain the phenomenon. Conclusion: considering the sand particles as particles of matter, can you conclude from the experiment that particles of matter have air spaces among them? Justify your opinion. Activity 3. Investigate the effect of heat on the movement of particles. Materials required: take 100 milliliters hot and cold water in transparent glass separately. Procedure: add blue ink in cold and hot water separately. Observations: observe it after 10 to 20 seconds. What change did you observe in it? Can you tell the reason? Conclusion: due to the high temperature in hot water, the blue ink particles begin to move fast, and in cold water, due to low temperature, the blue ink particles move slowly. Skill 5.1. Create and use models to describe gases, liquids, and solids. S. Creation. SS. Visual learning, critical thinking. Objective: to develop a comprehensive understanding of the physical properties and behaviors of different states of matter by creating and utilizing models. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as States of Matter Exploration Extravaganza and solve it. Skill 5.2. Explore the idea that matter is made of particles that are too small to be seen by observing materials. S. Observation. SS. Critical thinking, conceptualization. Objective: to make students understand and appreciate the fundamental concept that all matter is composed of indivisible particles that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Matter Mysteries, delving into the submicroscopic realm, and solve it. Skill 5.3. Use a particle model of matter to investigate the movement and arrangement of particles in 3 states. S. Scientific inquiry. SS. Data analysis, critical thinking, conceptualization. Objective: to understand and visualize how particles behave and arrange themselves in solids, liquids, and gases using a particle model of matter. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Matter Mysteries, Unveiling Particle Behavior, and solve it.